Alright, now I'll be showing you how you can produce the auxiliary views of this given object. So, these views are given in first angle orthographic projection. It means this is the front elevation and this is the plan. What I want to show you here is how you are going to produce the auxiliary plan of this this given object, how you can produce the auxiliary plan. Then the next video will be on how you can produce the auxiliary elevation. So what you need to do, as I've said before, is to replicate the given views. So you redraw this and then you take note of the direction of the plane upon which the auxiliary view is going to be projected or is going to be produced. So this plane is at angle 45 degrees to the horizontal. So now let's look at how we can produce the auxiliary plan. So as I said, so you need to replicate the given views, so which I've done here. This is the elevation and this is the plan. So for me to produce the auxiliary plan, I need to use my 45 degrees set square, because the plane upon which the auxiliary plan is to be produced is at angle 45 degrees to the horizontal. So I will take my 45 degrees set square, because all the lines that I'm going to project from the point on the elevation should be at a right angle to this given plane x1. Sorry, so plane x1 and y1 here. So now let's look at what we need to do. So as I said, so we are going to project lines. So from here, so from this point, so you draw a line in this direction, and from this point, so you draw a line in this direction. So from this point, so you draw a line like this. So from this point, so you draw a line in this direction. So also from this point, so you draw a line here, and from this point, so you draw a line. Okay, so draw a line from this point like this. Okay, so with what we have done here, so the next thing that we are going to do is that, so distance from here to here, which is on the plan, so you take it, so from this point to this point, so the measurement is 40 millimeters, so I can just take 40 millimeters from this point. So I measure 40 millimeters from here, 40 millimeters from, so this is 40. So with the same 45 degrees set square, so you draw a line in this direction like this. So draw a line in this direction like this. So now, so the object is being viewed in this direction, so we are looking at it in this direction. So that means I'm going to see this rectangle, but I've said this several times, that when it comes to the production of auxiliary views, try as much as possible to produce the asymmetric view of the object, and that is how I've been doing it. Please try to do it like that. So I have the asymmetric view of the object with me here. So this is the asymmetric view, and we are looking at the object in this direction. I'm going to see this rectangle. Okay, so I will see this okay, I will see this rectangle, I'll see this rectangle here, and also I will see this rectangle. So I will see this rectangle and I will see this rectangle here. Those are the views that I'm going to see when I'm looking at it in the direction, in this direction, in direction of the arrow given here. So this arrow is inclined at an angle 45 degrees to the horizontal. So that's why we with the plane given here, which is inclined at angle 45 degrees to the horizontal, we have to use our 45 degrees set square, because all these lines, they must be parallel to the given arrow or the given view. So that is what we have done here. So as I said, so we are going to see this rectangle, we see this rectangle, we see this rectangle, we see this rectangle, all will be put on this auxiliary plan that we are to produce there. And looking at what I've done here, every part of the auxiliary plan has come out here. All I need to do is to tick them out, or to bring out the outlines with a T continuous line. So for this rectangle that we have here, I just need to follow this line. So it start from here, and then for this part, so we have this point here, and then from here to here. So I will make this a thick line. So I make this a thick line. I will also make this a thick line from here to here. Okay, so then I will also make this a thick line from here to here. This is also a thick line. Okay, so we have brought out the rectangle that we can see here. This rectangle, we have brought it out. Then what about this rectangle here? So that is this surface here, this rectangle. So we have it here. So you start from here, so to here, and then from here to here. So we already have it. All I need to do is to draw a thick line from here to here. So I'm doing it so that you can understand. I'm taking it one by one so that you can understand what we see. So this will also be a thick line. This will also be a thick line like this. Okay, so then we have this rectangle. As I said, that we are going to see this rectangle, and it starts from here to here. So if I follow this line, we have already drawn this line, and then so follow this line. So I need to make this line a thick line. Okay, so this will be a thick line, and this will also be a thick line. Then come here. So we have this rectangle here. I can see this rectangle, and it starts from here. We have already drawn this line, and then the end of it is this. So I need to make this line a thick line. Okay, so and then so I need to make this line from here to here. It will be a complete thick line, and from here to here it will be a complete thick line. And then at this point, I can't see this point, it is hidden from me. So when I'm looking at it in this direction like this, so this point will be hidden from me. I can't see it. I can't see it. There's a line that goes inward which is hidden from me, is under it. I cannot see that line. So that means I have to make this line, I have to make it with short dashes line to show that it is an hidden detail. Okay, so looking at what we have done here, so this is the auxiliary plan of the given object. So it's as simple as I've done it here. So all you need to do is to practice, and then don't forget to produce the isometric view of the object so that you can be able to you can quickly get the auxiliary plan or auxiliary elevation, as I said. So let's meet on the next video, which is on the auxiliary elevation. Thank you. God bless you.